Good morning, students. So today we are going to work on OpenOffice Writer, right? Now in this OpenOffice Writer, basically we are creating the documents. Fine. So it is one of the word processing program, but it is open source software. That means Apache OpenOffice can be downloaded, right? The link to download the software will be available in the description of this video. So you can download the software after watching the video. Now we are going to start with our first topic, that is session 1, applying styles in the document. So what do you mean by a style? Basically, style is the set of format that you can quickly apply to the selected text, page, frames and to the entire document easily. Styles improve the consistency of the document. Let's see how. So for giving you the demo of styles, I am taking you to OpenOffice. So I am opening Apache OpenOffice. Now here you have to click on text document. The moment you open the text document on your screen, on this area, the area where I am scrolling down, this is a text area, right? The area which you are seeing outside, these are the borders. Now let us understand how to create the styles. But before I explain you styles, I am showing you how to save your file. So we need to click on file, save as. Once we click on save as, you can give any name to your file. Now let's say I am saving your file in your folder class 10th and I am giving the name to it styles. Now you can notice here the extension of the style. It is ODT, right? So that means it is Open Document Text Editor. So it is ODF text document. Fine. So by this I am saving this particular file. Now for creating the styles, obviously we need to bring some sample text. So for that I am clicking on Word. I am opening MS Word and there is a function called rand. So I am typing here equal to rand and here I am giving 12,3. So what will happen when the moment I press enter key, you will see 12 paragraphs coming here and with 3 lines. Now I can select them using Ctrl A, then I will press Ctrl C and then I can minimize it, go back to my text editor, my OpenOffice Writer and press Ctrl V. So you will see the entire paragraphs have come. Now let us understand that how can we change the look of this document. Now one method is you need to select the paragraph and then you keep on changing the font from here and then font style, right, font size, make them bold, make them italic, change the alignment, change the font color, then change the highlighting, and you need to do this task each time you want to change the look of your text. In order to avoid it, what we can do is we can directly apply the styles. So let us see how. First of all, styles is available in format menu, styles and formatting, or you can press the shortcut key F11. The moment you click on here, so just see the formatting styles. The style is available in the sidebar. So this is sidebar view where we are seeing the styles. In OpenOffice Writer, we have paragraph styles, we have character style, frame style, page style and list style. We also have 2 more options, fill format mode and new style. So first of all, let us understand paragraph style. Suppose I want to change the formatting of this paragraph. All you need to do is select the paragraph and then from paragraph style, you need to find out the style which you want to apply. So you can scroll it down and there are plenty of styles available in the list. Suppose I want to apply heading 1. So you need to double click The moment I double click, just see here, automatically my style is now heading 1. It means automatically it has changed my font name to Arial, font size 16. It is bold, it is left aligned, right? So therefore, whenever you want to change a particular paragraph, you need to click on paragraph style. By mistake, suppose you have selected the paragraph, but suppose you went to character style and you try to implement index link. So you will say that there is no change in your paragraph. Why? Because this is mismatch. You are selecting the paragraph and trying to apply a character style. So I hope this is clear to you. Next is character style, where it is used. So character style is used for changing the formatting of a text or a small letter or a letter. Now suppose I have selected this character, this word reading. Now if I click on rubies, so you will see that it has changed the character style. Similarly, if I want to apply on reach, I want to apply this style, for example quotation. So you will see there is a change in the style of the word. So this is character style. Now I hope you have understood what is paragraph style and what is character style. OpenOffice Writer has also given you a shortcut method to apply the style. So what is this method? This method is fill format mode. So instead of selecting the paragraph and double clicking on the styles, what you can do is simply select the style which you want to implement. Suppose I want to implement heading 4 style. Select the style. Now click on fill format mode. The moment you click on fill format mode, you will notice that your mouse cursor has changed to fill format icon. All I need to do is just click anywhere in this paragraph. So you will see the entire paragraph has been changed to heading 4 style. Similarly, I can also apply heading 4 style to this paragraph of mine. So just with one click, heading 4 is applied. Anytime if you have done something wrong, you can always right click. So right clicking will undo the style. As you can see here, we can right click again and the things are undone, right? Now if you want to convert your cursor back to the normal mode, you have to press escape key. So you will see the cursor is back to I icon. I hope this is clear to you. There is one more shortcut method to apply the styles. What is that? So you need to select the paragraph and then if you want to apply heading 1, so there is a shortcut control plus 1. So the moment I press control plus 1, automatically you will see heading 1 has been applied. Shortcut for heading 2 is again control 2. So it has been changed to control 2. Now you need not to even select the paragraph. All you can do is bring your cursor here and you can press control 3. So just see, this paragraph has changed to heading 3 style. Similarly, we can also change it to heading 4 style. Now heading 5, you can press control 5, right? And so on. So like this you can use the shortcut keys from control plus 1 till control plus 9 to apply all the different heading styles. Control plus 0, if you press here control 0, right? So it will apply the default style called text body. Right? Now, the next portion of this session, Writer also allows you, it also gives you the facility to create your own style. How? Suppose on this word to, my boss has asked me that my document should have the font, for example, he wants, let's say Algerian, and the font size should be 15. It should be bold, right? The color of the font should be red and it should be highlighted. So I have created this style. Now let's see how can I convert this formatting to a style. All I can do is I just have to select the text like this and drag and drop. If you drag this particular style to paragraph style, you will create a paragraph style, otherwise character style. So let us see how. So I am dragging and dropping it in paragraph style and I am giving the name to the style. For example, this is my style. The moment I press enter key, can you see my style has come. Now in order to apply this style, what do you have to do? Again the same method, select the style, click on fill format mode and then just one click and your styles is applied, right? So this is how we can use the styles. Now suppose I have made this style, right? Suppose this is a text and I am changing its font to, let's say, some cursive font, right? LSA personal use. I have downloaded from Google. Then I am changing its font size and I am making it bold. I am changing the font color to, let's say, blue color, right? And I am changing its highlighting to yellow. Now I am dropping this style to character style. So just see, drag and drop it in the character style and I am giving it a name, new underscore style. So you will see this new style has come. Again select this style, click on fill format mode and just you have to click on any text. See, like this. And if you want to apply the style, the character, this particular style to the entire paragraph, so you can drag and drop your mouse cursor like this, right? So have you all understood this? I hope this is clear to you. Now next thing is you can also create your style with the help of new style from selection. Let's see how. So I am selecting suppose can and I am changing the font style to, let's say, Cambria and I have changed its font size to 18. I am making it bold. I am underlining it and I am changing the font style to orange color. Now after this you have to click on this option, new style from selection. Once I click on this, it is asking me the style name. So I am typing here, suppose new, I am writing here style new 1. So my new style 1, style new 1 has come here. Now again I can click on fill format mode and just see the same style can be applied. So I hope this is clear to you. Again pressing escape key will convert your cursor back to the normal mode. You can also update your style. How? Right click on the style, click on modify. So when you are right clicking and clicking on modify, so now here you can change the color. Let's say I don't want an orange color, I want cyan color. So I am clicking on OK. So now if I click on fill format mode, you will find the changes. So can you see everywhere, wherever I have changed, I have applied style new, all of them have changed automatically. One more thing to notice here, you cannot rename the styles. Students asked me that, ma'am, can we rename the style? So writer does not allows you to rename a style. So either you can delete a style or modify it or make a new style. I hope this is clear to you. Now back to the slides. So we have already seen how to create the styles. Now let's see what are the advantages of style. So obviously style improves our work. It saves our time. Similarly, once a style is made, you can modify it easily. With styles, we will learn in the next class how to create table of contents. So table of contents can be created with the styles. The program, the files which are created using the styles, they are usually small file size. So their size is reduced, right? Because writer is based on style based program. So this is the gist summary of whatever I have explained you. So you can quickly go through these slides and everything whatever I have covered in the demonstration is covered in this particular slide. So I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you all.